Oh, hungry babies, hungry babies. Didn't eat for a whole 8 hours. Let me get the tuna out right now. My apologies. My apologies. It's coming, it's coming. Let's play the song first. It's coming, it's coming. This board warped so much. I never would have thought that this thing would have warped, but it did. Excuse me. Excuse me. You gotta go down. Can't do this with one hand. Oh, I can. No, not again. Not again. Please get down, sir. You're so stinky. A little warm water to warm their food up. And we're just gonna do a little dessert. Wow. Happy hungry kitties. Hey, dessert's supposed to be last. Some more water. Slow down, Bean. Slow down, please. You'll be all right. Water?